Hi there. We're going to do a 3-ingredient cookie today. And guess what? I'm looking for my lighting here. It is a pumpkin chocolate chip cookie. 3 easy recipes. A can of pumpkin, a spice cake mix of your choice, and some chocolate chips. I have the cake mix in here right now. And here's the pumpkin going in, just like this. Now this seems too easy to be true. I've never made this. This is the first time I've made this recipe. So we're gonna make it together and see what happens. I just saw 3 deer out back feeding. So I grabbed my camera real quick. That's the first time I've seen them out back this year. The snow's getting deep enough now where they're having a hard time to get food. So they're coming out to see whatever they can find. They'll probably find my pumpkins on the front step and I'll go out and there'll be nibbles off it. Let me see here. That's like pretty much it right there. And we're just gonna mix this in really good. Hope everybody's doing well today. Like I said, I've never made this. I don't know how it's gonna work up, but we're gonna find out. I would have thought there'd have been a liquid of some sort in here, but nope. Can of pumpkins, chocolate chip, and box mix. That's it. You want to preheat your oven at 350 and you want to start baking these for 15 minutes. Then you need to check on them because every oven is different and every oven heats differently. And let's see here. We're getting there. Probably mixer would have been easier, but I got a little fluff going on right here on the arms I'm working on, so maybe that's will help. As my grandmother would call them, angel arms. Get all this batter mixed in. It's kind of hard. Just doesn't want to mix in good. So we're gonna get something else here. Let's see what I got here that may mix. Ta-da, let's try this. I mean, this is doing okay, but I like to get the job done just a tad quicker. Because like I always tell you, YouTube does not like me to have a certain amount of minutes because it just doesn't play. I'm lucky to get 13 minutes sometimes. My best time is if I don't go over 10. Anything over 10, a lot of times it doesn't go through. Oh yeah, this here's mixing up much better. Put a little muscle into this. Batter looks nice. Yeah. Wipe my hand. I got a little something on my hand. Oh my gosh, I was out shopping today. Have you ever seen baby dill pickles like that? That is the smallest dill pickle I have ever seen. I found those at the Dollar General and I said, I have got to try them. My aunt will like them too. I got her a jar. She just told me she's out of pickles. She likes mustard pickles though. It's usually what I like to make for her or get for her. Okay, the batter's all done. As you can see how wonderful that looks. And just take a cookie sheet, either spray it or put some parchment paper on it. And I'm gonna use my number 20 ice cream scoop. And didn't say how big to make them, it just said scoop them on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scoop them on. Ray will probably take this to work for his co-workers because either that, or I may freeze a few up or take them to my aunt's place, the assisted living. They always like getting desserts there. So what's everybody doing for Thanksgiving? Are you baking or share baking, or are you going to someone's home, or are you going to a restaurant? My youngest son, Christopher, is having us all over. He's got 16 folks coming, and Mom's bringing a lot of different things, but I get a break this year. Everybody thought I needed a break. Because of all the health reasons I had going on, I think we pretty much got a lid on them, thank the Lord. God is good. Okay. The only thing I forgot was to put some chocolate chips on here. I got ratchet jarring. And I don't remember what I did with the chocolate chips, but I'll be right back. This is where the chocolate chips should have gone in the batter and mixed up. So what I'm going to do is, I won't bore you, but I'm just going to go through and stick some chocolate chips right in there. Just like that. That's what you do when you forget. And it will be fine. They'll still come out tasting very yummy. What I'll do is I'll put the rest of them in the batter here that I've got. And I'll bring you back when I get done. I'll just pour some right in here. And we'll be back and we'll taste them. Don't go too far. Well, hi there. I got the cookies out of the oven and here they are. They have a beautiful texture to them. Look how scrumptious they look. They're nice and soft. They're really yummy. And now I'm going to take a test. Pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. 3 ingredients, that's it. Very good. They're still warm. Very, very good. They need to cool off a little bit more. Look at that. Yummy, yummy for this Grammie's tummy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. There's a lot going on over here on my channel, so come on over. If you haven't subscribed, hit that little gray bell. That'll give you all my YouTubes that are coming up in my live streams when I go live. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great night. God bless. See you tomorrow.